Prostate cancer is a common issue, affecting 1 in 8 men who will experience prostate cancer in their lifetime. Prostate cancer is a growth of cells that starts in the prostate, which is a small gland found just below the bladder. If the cancer grows beyond the prostate, it can be more difficult to cure. But even when a cure isn't possible, treatments can slow the growth of the cancer and help you live longer. Today, we're going to share 12 early signs that can help you with early detection of prostate cancer. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and not medical advice. Number 1. Frequent urination, especially at night. One of the first signs many men notice is needing to pee more often, especially during the night. You might find yourself waking up 2, 3, or even more times to go to the bathroom. It's not just annoying, it's also something you shouldn't ignore. The reason behind this is that the prostate gland, when enlarged or affected by cancer, can press on the bladder. That pressure makes your body think it's time to go, even when there's only a little urine inside. Some men think it's just part of getting older. But if this is new for you, get it checked. Number 2. Difficulty starting or stopping urination. Another common sign is struggling to start or stop your urine stream. You may feel like you have to wait before anything comes out, even when you're really trying. Once the flow starts, it might feel weak. And stopping can be tricky too, it may dribble out or feel incomplete. This happens when the prostate blocks the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. Number 3. Erectile dysfunction or trouble maintaining an erection. Prostate cancer often leads to erectile dysfunction in men, but many times, there can be other causes behind it as well. Trouble getting or keeping an erection can result from damage to the nerves or blood vessels around the prostate. Sometimes, it's also a side effect of treatment. Men might blame age or stress, and sometimes, that's true. But if you're also experiencing other signs from this list, it might be time to talk to a doctor about the health of your prostate. Number 4. Blood in urine or semen. Seeing blood where it doesn't belong can be scary. If you notice blood in your urine or semen, don't panic, but do take action. Sometimes, the blood is visible, other times, it's only found through a test. While it could be caused by an infection or injury, it can also be a sign of cancer. Blood shows that something inside is irritated or damaged. Either way, it's not normal, and it shouldn't be ignored. Number 5. Pain or burning while urinating or ejaculating. Burning or pain during urination or ejaculation is a red flag. It's not just about discomfort. It might be your body's way of waving a warning sign. This could mean there's inflammation, possibly from cancer or another prostate problem. While urinary tract infections or sexually transmitted infections can also cause this pain, men over 50 should consider the possibility of prostate-related issues, especially if the discomfort doesn't go away. Number 6. Pain in the lower back, hips, or upper thighs. Pain that lingers in your lower back, hips, or the top of your thighs could be more than just sore muscles. If prostate cancer spreads, it often goes to the bones first, especially in these areas. This kind of pain usually doesn't go away with rest or painkillers. If you've been dealing with chronic pain in these areas without a clear reason, it's worth a deeper look. Number 7. Loss of bladder control. Accidental leaks or a sudden, strong urge to pee, those are signs that your bladder and prostate might not be working well together. In some cases, cancer can press on nerves or the bladder itself, making it harder to hold in urine. This symptom may be embarrassing, but you're not alone. Many men deal with this, and the sooner you address it, the better the outcome can be. Number 8. Feeling like your bladder isn't empty. Ever finish going to the bathroom, and still feel like you need to go again? That's a classic symptom of prostate issues. When the prostate gets in the way of urine leaving your body, the bladder might not fully empty. So, you get the urge again, right after you just went. Over time, this can lead to other problems like infections or bladder damage. Number 9, weak or interrupted urine flow. Maybe the stream starts okay, but then it slows down, stops, or sprays in odd directions. That can feel frustrating or even embarrassing. Some men don't even notice it at first. But when it happens often, it might point to something more serious like prostate cancer or another prostate issue. If you notice your urine flow isn't what it used to be, don't just shrug it off. Tell your doctor about it. It might be an early sign that your prostate is changing. Number 10, sudden weight loss or loss of appetite. If you're experiencing unexpected weight loss or a sudden decline in appetite, take notice. These could be warning signs of prostate cancer. Your body may be using energy in ways you don't understand, and cancer cells often disrupt how your body processes nutrition. If you find yourself eating less or feeling less interested in food, this isn't just a minor issue, it could indicate an internal struggle that demands immediate attention. Number 11, fatigue that doesn't go away. Everyone experiences tiredness, but cancer-related fatigue is distinctive. It persists despite rest and can make even simple tasks exhausting. If you feel unusually drained without an obvious cause, listen to your body, it may be signaling something crucial. Number 12, swelling in the legs or feet. Swelling in the lower body, especially in the legs and feet, might indicate that prostate cancer has spread to nearby lymph nodes. This tightness can cause pain or numbness, often worsening over time. Many men overlook this as something minor, but it can actually be a clue about what's happening deeper inside. Now that we have gone over some early signs of prostate cancer, let's discuss some diet and lifestyle changes you can make to deal with early prostate cancer. Healthy choices in food and daily habits can support the body in early prostate cancer, but always consult a medical professional. 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Colorful fruits and vegetables should be part of your daily meals. They're full of vitamins, fiber, and plant compounds that may help your body stay strong. Tomatoes, broccoli, berries, and leafy greens like spinach or kale are excellent options. Some studies suggest that these foods might even slow down the growth of cancer cells. While they won't cure prostate cancer, they support your overall health and help your body feel better. Try adding veggies to your lunch or snacking on fruit instead of chips. It's a simple start. 2. Cut back on red and processed meats. You don't have to give up meat completely, but it's smart to reduce how much red or processed meat you eat. Bacon, sausages, and heavy beef dishes can add more fat and chemicals to your diet, which may not be good for your prostate. Instead, try swapping in grilled chicken, turkey, or fish a few times a week. These options are leaner and gentler on your body. Also, plant-based meals once in a while can be both tasty and good for you. 3. Choose healthy fats over unhealthy ones. Not all fats are bad, but it's important to choose the right kinds. Healthy fats, like those in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, can help your heart and may also benefit your prostate. On the flip side, fried foods, buttery pastries, and heavy creams are best kept to a minimum. These may increase inflammation or stress your body in ways that aren't helpful during recovery. A little switch, like using olive oil instead of butter when cooking, makes a difference over time. 4. Drink green tea and stay hydrated. Green tea is gentle, warm, and full of antioxidants that may support your immune system. Having a cup once or twice a day can be a calming habit. Along with that, drinking enough water is very important. Dehydration can slow your body down and make you feel tired. Try carrying a water bottle and sipping throughout the day. It's a small habit with big health benefits. 5. Move your body every day. You don't need to join a gym or run a marathon. Even a 20 to 30-minute walk each day can lift your mood, improve your circulation, and support healing. Light exercise like yoga or stretching also keeps your body flexible and reduces stress. And when your stress levels go down, your body has more energy to focus on recovery. Choose something you enjoy so it becomes part of your routine. 6. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body does some of its best healing. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep each night. If you're struggling, cut back on caffeine or screens before bedtime. Also, stress can wear you down, so it helps to take quiet time during your day. Whether it's deep breathing, reading, or just sitting outside in the fresh air, a calm mind supports a healthy body.